Hi, this is Stephen with Fairs M.I, and today we're going to talk about printing. It's pretty easy, really. First, you hit the upper right-hand button called Files, and then we go ahead and click the Preview button in the Files dialog. And in the upper right-hand corner is a printer icon for printing and an X icon for escaping back to our work screen. Now, you'll notice there's an extra bit of real estate here, and that's basically because the work area for Fairs M.I is a square, and the printer area is a rectangle. And we can take care of that very easily. We hit the X button to escape out, and then we go ahead and hit the zoom button one time. Go back to our preview, and now we see our screens more appropriate. Now, one issue you might run into is that everybody uses a different kind of browser and a different kind of printer, so there's sometimes some complications. One of the main ones is that your print will want to be in portrait mode when you actually want it to be in landscape mode. And there's a simple fix for that, and it just requires that we work at the desktop level on your computer, just setting the default orientation for the printer to landscape in the control panel. And we do this by going to the lower left-hand corner of our computer screen's desktop, clicking the Microsoft icon, and then going to the control panel. From there, we look for printer device settings. And then from there, we click on that, and it brings up our list of printers. We look for the default printer, click on that, and then we'll see in the left-hand corner printer, which brings up a list of choices, and we look for printing preferences. We click on that, and now we go and look for there's portrait, and then there's landscape. We click on landscape. Be sure that you hit the apply button, and then OK. And we're ready to go. So we close out that screen, our desktop screen. We're back in our Fairs M.I. Click Preview. Go ahead and click the printer button and go ahead and print. Now when you see the print dialog appear, just go ahead and hit print. You'll see various types of shapes and presentations on this screen, but because we've set the default, it will go ahead and print to those defaults we did in your control panel, which in this case would be a full screen and landscape mode. And again, everybody's got a different printer and a different browser. If you still run into problems, please email us, give us a call, and we'll make sure that you get printing with your Fairs M.I maps. Thanks.